How to log in to Go Mortgage account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Go Mortgage account and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, gomortgage.com. Open it. You will land to the login page. Once you're on the login page, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username. Then type in the password. If you want to save a username, check in for the option of remember my username. Likewise, check in for the option I agree with the terms and conditions. In the case you have forgotten the password or the username, you can click on these options given at the bottom to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on login, and with that you will be logged into your mortgage account. So this way you can easily log into Go Mortgage account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.